Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Master. Today we are going to solve Edexcel IGCSE 9 to 1 ICT paper 2 using database software 2013. Let's see the question paper. This is the question paper. Let's see activity 2 using database software. Here total marks 24 and data files needed suffering. So go to the question paper, main question. Here this is activity 2 using database software. Jonathan has created a database called Safari to store details of the animals and sponsors. The database contains three tables: animals, animal sponsor, and donation. Task DB1: open the Safari database, open the sponsor table. Details of a sponsor are stored in the sponsor table. The structure of the sponsor table is given here. This is the structure. Jonathan wants to add a new sponsor to the sponsor table. Add these sponsor details to the database. Mrs. Jan Smith, 3 High Street, Windymore, HH66HY, and her phone number. She was born on 7th February 1979. Sort the sponsor table into ascending order of date of birth. So go to the data files. Here, data files 2010 we are going to use, and contact database we have to we have to use Safari database. So Safari, open Safari. Here there are three tables: animal, donation, and sponsor. Open a sponsor table. Here add the information: Mrs. Zion, our initial will be Z. Smith. Our address will be 3 High Street. Our address to should be Windymore, Windymore. Okay. Postcode HH66HY. And her phone number is given 01203 space 454647. Her date of birth is 7th February, so 7 1979. Date of birth you have to sort it in ascending order. So click on here, newest to oldest. This is the date of birth. Now save this sponsor table. So click on save icon. Now open a new document using word processing software. Set the orientation to landscape. Enter task DB1, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer of the document. Save the word process document as task DB1. Copy and paste the sorted sponsor table into task DB1. Make sure that all data is displayed on one side of A4 and is easy to read. Resave task DB1. So go to start. all apps, go to Microsoft Office Word 2007, click on. Change the page layout, click on page layout, paper size, click on, should be A4, click on orientation should be landscape. Now go to the footer of this document, insert, and click on footer. In footer, you have to input some information, task, DB1, then your name, then candidate, number, then center number. Close it, header and footer, go to office button, click on save as Word document, go to the desktop, create a new folder here, click on new folder, my Word 2013. In this folder, you have to save it as task DB1. Save. Now go to the database, open database, click on here, then click on right button of the mouse, click on copy. Then paste it in Word processed file, click on paste. Now resave this, click on save. Now you have to print it. Go to office button, print, current page, properties, advanced, select A4, OK, orientation should be landscape, OK, and click on OK. It will be printed. Now total for this task is 4 marks. Now task DB2. Open a new document using word processing software. Set the orientation to landscape. Enter task DB2, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer of the document. Save the word process document as task DB2. So click on Start. Click on All Apps. Go to Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. Change the page layout. Paper size should be A4. Orientation should be landscape. Now go to footer. So click on Insert and Footer. In footer, type task DB2, your name, candidate number, then center number. Close header and footer. Now save this as task DB2. Go to the Office button, click on Save as Word document, task DB2. Click on Save. Now go to the question paper. See next one. A number C. Jonathan wants a list of sponsors who are less than 16 years old on 1st July 2013. That means born after 1st July 1997. He wants all fields displayed. Create a query or search on the sponsor table to find this information. Save the query or search as DB2A. Display the results of the query or search, copy and paste the results of the search into task DB2. Receive task DB2 do not print at this stage. So go to the database, close it, go to create, query design, select sponsor table, add, close. So all fields you have to display, so double click on all fields. Sponsor reference, title, first name, initial, last name, address 1, address 2, postcode, phone number, date of birth. Now in date of birth, you have to set the criteria. So go to the criteria are this. So here, 1st July 2013. So July 7, that means 1st 2013. Oh, 1st July 1997. So 1997. Those are born after this. Now you have to save this. So go to Office button, click on Save As, Save Object As. This will be DB2A. Okay, click on. Now run this, see what happened. So you have to change the formula, that means this one should be this. So this, run. So this is the result. Now copy this, just click on here, click on right button of the mouse, copy, now paste it in Word processing file. Click on paste. Now B number C. Now resave this, so click on save icon. Go to the question paper, see. B number, Jonathan wants a list of sponsors whose title is Mr. and who have a postcode beginning with HH4. The list should show only the fields title, initial, last name, address 1, address 2, and a postcode. Create a query or search on the sponsor table to find this information. Save the query or search as DB2B. Display the results of the query or search, copy and paste the results of the search into task DB2. Make sure that all results from this task are displayed on one side of A4 and are easy to read. Resave task DB2, print task DB2. So go to the database, close it, go to create, go to query design, select sponsor table, add. So from this sponsor table, some specific fields you have to display. So double click on title, double click on initial, double click on last name, double click on address 1, double click on address to, double click on postcode. So here title should be Mr. So go to the title, set the criteria Mr. Now sponsor postcode. Sorry, postcode. Where is postcode? Here. Here it should be beginning with HH4. So you have to write down like HH4, then 4 asterisk sign. Add. Now save it as DB2B. So go to Office button, save object as DB2B. Click on OK. Now run this query. See the result is this. Now copy, click on right button and click on copy. Go to Word process file and click on paste here. Now save this. Click on save icon or just press Ctrl S. Now go to the question paper. So print this task. So you have to take a print of this. How to take print? Known to you. Go to Office button. Click on print. Current page. Properties. Landscape OK. Go to advanced. This is A4 of OK. Now OK. OK. And click on OK. It will be printed. For task DB, 2 also finished, and for this task total mark is 6. Now task DB 3. Open a new document using word processing software. Enter task DB3, your name, candidate number and center number in the footer of the document. Save the document as task DB3. So click on start, click on all apps, go to Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Office Word. Change the page layout. So go to page layout, select size, then A4. Now go to the footer of this document, go to insert, click on footer, click on blank, here task DB3. Then your name, candidate number, then center number put. Now save it as task DB3. Before that, close header and footer. Go to Office button. Click on Save as Word document. Go to Desktop. My work DB 2013. Now save it as task DB3. Save. Now see the thing, the donation table needs to be linked to the animal and sponsor table. The donation table contains details of every donation made by a sponsor. Each sponsor can make more than one donation. More than one donation can be made for each animal. Create appropriate relationships between the tables. Display the relationships on the screen. Make sure all fields are displayed. Take a screenshot of the relationships. Paste the screenshot into task DB3. Resave task DB3. Do not print at this stage. So go to Microsoft Database. Close this one. Now you have to go to Database Tools and click on Relationships. Show tables, add, So animal table and donation. See here given animal. So one, two, as sponsor. See, so also see. This is the relationship. Now this relationship, you have to take a screenshot of this. So just press print screen. Now go to word processed file, type A, paste here. Now B number, see what is that. Okay, reset task DB3, so you have to reset this. Go to the question paper, B number, level the screenshot to identify the primary key in one of the relationship. Save task DB3, print task DB3. So B number, you have to identify the primary key. Animal first is the primary key between the relationship of animal and donation table. Now reset this, so click on save icon. Now you have to take a print. So go to office and print current page, then properties, then advanced, select A4, OK, OK, and click on OK. It will be printed. Close it. So total for this task is 4 marks. Now tasks DB4, open a new document using word processing software. Enter task DB4, your name, candidate number and center number in the footer of the document. Save the document as task DB4. Jonathan wants a data entry form for the donation table. The structure of the donation table is given here. Create a data entry form for the donation table. Make sure that form simplifies data entry. Take a screenshot of the form in data entry view. Paste the screenshot into task DB4. Reset task DB4. Do not make this mistake. So go to Start. Click on All Apps. Go to Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office Word 2007. Change the page layout. Layout should be A4. Paper size should be A4. Now go to Insert and Footer. Enter task DB4, your name, candidate number, center number. Close header and footer. Save it as task DB4. Word document. Go to desktop. My Word. Save it as task DB4. Click on save. Minimize this. Now go to the database. Go to create. You have to create a data entry form. So click on form wizard. So table should be donation. So select donation table. From this donation table, you have to take all the fields. So click on here. And next, 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 finish. This is the form. Now take a screenshot of this. So press print screen button in your keyboard. Now go to Microsoft Word file. Now paste it here. Click on paste. Crop it. Okay. Now resave this. So click on save icon. Now P number C, label the screen shot to identify two features on the form that make data entry easier. So two features you have to write down. So B number, we have to write down two features. So go to one feature, maybe drop down box, box for animal on or And another feature may be calendar, may be used on the form that make the entry easy. Now we save this, so click on save button or icon, or you may press Ctrl S. Now you have to take a print. So go to Office button, click on Print, select current page, go to Properties, click on Advanced, select the paper size A4, OK, OK, and click on OK. It will be printed. Total for this task is 6 marks. Now task DB5, open a new document using word processing software, set the orientation to landscape, enter task DB5, your name, candidate number, center number in the footer of the document, save the document as task DB5. So go to start button, click on all apps, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. Change the page layout. Paper size should be A4. Orientation should be landscape. Go to insert, go to footer of the document. Click on blank. Here you have to type task DB5, your name, candidate number, and center number. Save it as task DB5. So close header and footer. Go to Office button, save as Word document. Go to desktop, my work DB 2013. Here save it as task DB5. Save. Now go to the question paper. See, Jonathan wants a list of sponsors who have donated at least 20 pounds to sponsor an animal. The list should show only fields, amount, date, name, animal, first name, last name, and phone. Is sorted in ascending order of last name. Create a query search to find this information from the linked tables. Save the query as DB5. Display the results of the query or search. Copy and paste the results of your search into task DB5. Make sure that all results from this task are displayed on one side of A4 and are easy to read. Save task DB5, print task DB5. So go to the database, close for. Now go to create, go to query design, add animal, add donation, add sponsor, close. Now some specific fields you have to display. Amount. So double click on amount. Where is amount? See, amount is here in donation table. Then date, from donation table, double click. Name, double click. Then animal, double click. First name, double click. First name right here. Sponsor table, double click. Last name, double click. Phone, double click. Phone, where is phone? Here, double click. Now donation. Set the criteria. Donation should be at least $20, £20. Sorry. So sort this last name. So last name, where is this? Here. Sorting ascending order. Now save it as DB5. So go to Office button. To save as, save object as DB5. Click on OK. Now run this. Problem. Amount should be. Wait. Design view. Go to the design view. Uh, Amount. Here, sorry, not date. Amount. Here you have to put 20. Save this. Run this. This is good. Now you have to resave this. So click on save icon. Now copy this. So click on right button of the mouse. Click on copy. Now paste it here. So click on paste. Now resave this. So click on save icon. Now we have to take a print. So go to Office button, then click on print, current page, properties, orientation should be landscape, advanced, letter should be A4, OK, OK, and click on OK. It will be printed. So total for this task is 4 marks and total for this activity is 24 marks. So that's all for today. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.